CLSTrademonitor is a post-trade monitoring and reporting tool that provides you with a comprehensive and near real-time view of all trade instructions submitted to CLS across all custodians and counterparties. CLSTrademonitor is a companion product for CLSSettlement and CLSNet and can be accessed through a platform-agnostic API, a simple web user interface, or through a post-trade platform provider. CLSTrademonitor provides you with a single portal to view trade exceptions. It also offers a comprehensive exception management dashboard to enable early issue detection and resolution, giving you enhanced post-trade transparency and the ability to reduce operational risk. CLSTrademonitor offers multiple filters and flexible functionality so you can customize the interface according to your reporting, auditing, and analytical needs. So whether you're an asset manager trying to manage your CLS settlement reconciliation across your custodians and executing brokers, a market service provider, or a bank or corporate user of CLS settlement, this powerful solution provides a holistic view of all FX trade instructions for optimal post-trade efficiency.